this point, I'm literally just waiting for the heater to stop doing its thing. Because it's being loud and I can't make It's finally quiet, yes! Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I am super excited to see you all back and I am excited to be back with making videos. I just posted another video and so far you guys are super excited to see me back, super excited to see me working on the Miata, and I'm super excited myself. But anyway, let's get straight to the video. You might be wondering, what's in this box? Well, that's the part that we're installing today. Basically, this is the cheapest bucket seat that we could find and that would fit in this car. Because this car, as you can see, is tiny. This is literally, especially because the cage is here, it's tiny. We measured everything and this is a 14-inch seat. So like the lower part of it is 14 inches and we measured me. I think I'll fit in it. It should be okay. The box is also tiny. Like, I don't know. I thought it's gonna be a little bigger, but I think it's good. So basically we're gonna try to install it. I'm actually waiting for Caleb. We're gonna go to the store and buy some metal to get the brackets to install this seat. Meanwhile, let's unbox it because I have not even seen it yet. Oh hell yeah! Oh my god, it looks so cool! Guys, it looks super sick. It's super small. I hope it's not the children's size. Let's get it. I'm excited. Let's. Da, 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 da. Boom! This is epic. God, I'm super excited. I don't know if I said that. This seat from Speedway Motors cost me only $163.99 plus some delivery fees and taxes. It was $175 basically, which is not that expensive and it's awesome. I'm guessing it's got some hardware here. It's got something. It looks pretty epic if you ask me. I've never gotten any bucket seats. I've always wanted to get a race seat in my car. This is perfect. I bought it without the cushion because the cushion would be another $100 and it's quite a lot of money. I'm not really gonna daily drive this car. It's a race car, guys, come on. Who needs the comfortability? No one does, I don't. And I was gonna do is love squat in it. Let's see if I can squat in it. It's really small. I can't squat in it properly, but that's all you get, okay? This is the squat you get. Yeah, stop complaining, okay? Don't complain, that's the squat you get. I'm gonna test fit it. I'm sure you all excited and you wanna see me test fit it. I'm gonna do that. What we're gonna do today is make brackets for the seat to install it, cut the bars on the side and re-weld them with bending the pipe a little bit so it comes out. So it gives us a little bit more space. It will look better, it will be more comfortable, and the seat will actually fit. So let's see how that looks. Dang, it's actually not bad. Guys, I'm so excited! I'm sorry, but I'm excited. Look how awesome that looks. This is sick. This is super cool. MiataGoKart looks like an actual car now. Look at that. I'm sorry, I just can't get enough of it. That looks so sick. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! You're here! It looks so sick!
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Does it
like, fits too.
Hell yeah!
Like it,
cold,
dude.
Did you not turn the heat back on?
I didn't because it's annoying and loud, and then every time I edit videos, it looks like it sounds like ass.
Well, right, but I'd rather.
Da, 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 da.
That's dope.
Doesn't it look sick?
See, I told you the aluminum ones were gonna be dope.
Dude, let's go. Race car, dude. You cannot drive. We definitely need to extend the bars a little wider because they're like way too close.
Yeah, I mean, you're constantly touching them.
What we're gonna do, we are going to get some hardware and some metal to get the brackets.
They're nice and low too, that's the awesome part.
And we're gonna mount it, hopefully.
This is what it's
mount it, it's gonna be epic. And that's what the video is about. Epic mounting, that's what it's
Now
about.
that's what this is all about.
Right, let's go. Got the materials from...
Continue.
We just got the materials, got all the metal for the bracket. We actually already made one bracket just to make sure we can.
Well, one side of the bracket.
One side of the bracket is done.
So that is some beautiful fabrication right there.
Yeah, Fabian out here helping me out.
I like that song.
It's a good song. Camera, action, let's go.
Right, so before we weld these bad boys in, they're gonna go, well, they're gonna go on the underside. Actually, no, they're gonna go on the top. Like so, essentially. That's what the seat's gonna bolt into, so we need to put the seat in and make sure we, like, wherever we put those has to be in a good position for bolts to go through the seat. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, call me back when you get this.
What?
Well, I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way.
Oh, thanks, man.
And I hate to do this to you on your birthday.
Wait a minute.
Happy birthday.
Please, guys, let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments below if this annoying heater is bothering you in the videos, because it's bothering me when I edit the videos and I can't hear well.
But, like, I don't care.
Let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know, okay? See, I like the way we make videos raw in a way that, like,
we're just, like,
we're just funny
like,
and we're talking
funny.
and
No,
it's
totally
real.
agree.
But most of it gets cut out. And I don't know if people like raw stuff or not.
I personally love that kind of thing.
Time to weld the nuts to the seat bracket.
Heck yeah.
And I'm gonna watch. We've been kind of hanging out around the shop, and once again we did this bar. It comes out now, looks a lot better. Caleb also started working on making a little plate to hold the steering column to the cage so it's not being held by zip ties. And I am currently going to start putting in the brake lines. And we'll probably fill it up and see if we can bleed the brakes. Technically, everything is screwed in. We'll put some brake fluid in it, and we're gonna try to bleed the brakes. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It'll just tighten the calipers on each side on the front, and let's try bleeding the brakes, I guess. Can I finish the video, please?
No.
Okay. Guys, thanks for your help. I'm gonna wrap up the video.
You're welcome.
Is there anything behind your back that you're trying to hide?
No.
Show me your hand. What about the other hand? Okay.
That was good, Jared.
We did do a lot of things to it today and yesterday. It took us a couple days. We put the seat in, which is really exciting. Makes it look a lot nicer. Makes it look like a real race car. Caleb helped me with a plate for the steering column once again. It's all nice and snug. Thank you.
I'm really happy with that, yeah.
Yeah, it looks really good. The mount for the steering column, or steering shaft, we stole the other one from the other Miata, so they're both bolted in. As the brakes go, the brake has a leak, so I decided to go with all new brakes all around. Obviously not like legit, we'll just go eBay. But anyway, once again, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support. Check out the GoFundMe page, it's gonna be listed down in the description. And I will see you hopefully next week. Peace out and stay positive.
Your head is definitely over the bar.
Yeah, and I hit it, but like it's not bad. Like I'll definitely, like, it'll be okay. Especially if we put like a padding on it, then it'll be fine.
What's so funny I can say and it could be funny? I don't know what to say. I forgot how to make videos. I don't know how, like, I need to start writing scripts. Okay, basically, I'm a monkey.